June 17th, June 16th, 2026. This is SOXL. So the box at 1 represents the range of the day yesterday, the high and the low on 10-minute charts. Held the support level, held that price. At 2, you see the blue box, which is the last 3 10-minute bars of the day. We use that for reference. I compare that to where the VWAP at 3 is to see, are they leaning forward or did they bring it back to fair value? The yellow dot at 3 is the gap down opening through the previous day's VWAP. 4 is the opening range 10-minute bar. And so I'm going to play the breakout from that bar. At 4, we get it. So I'm short at 4 with a standard risk box at 5. It breaks through yesterday's low, and I enter a second position at 5. 6. Continues to collapse and breaks down again, adding a position at 7. Bottoms out at 8, gives me a 1, 2, 3 exit at the skin of the dragon at 9 for a really good intraday trade. At 10, it rolls over, so I try short again, have to suffer a little bit, and scratch it at 11. Thought about going short again at 12, but we don't have a lot of time left. Immediately regretted it and watched it collapse to 13 compared to the VWAP at 14. So that is the sniper trade of the day for SOXL, the triple leverage semiconductors, and that was on 16 June.